What's up, you guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about the power of the downsell and why it matters. Let's dive in. All right, well, welcome back to the channel. As always, grateful for you, and I hope these videos are helping you grow your handmade business or your woodworking business. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about the power of the downsell. So what is a downsell? We need to identify this immediately. By the way, we've done another video as well talking about the power of the upsell and the cross sell. You're going to want to check those out. We'll link to those right here. But we want to talk about the power of the downsell in today's video. And so first of all, let's identify what is a downsell. Well, a downsell is when you're trying to close a deal with a prospect. You're trying to sell to a prospect, and for whatever reason, it's not working. You can't put the deal together. Maybe it's outside of their budget. That happens to us a lot, actually, here. You know, we make premium products that are solid wood, that have really fine finishes on them. And a lot of times people can't afford a $3,800 or $4,200 or $4,500 dining table set, but maybe they can afford a $2,500 dining table set. So what we've done is we've figured out how to work in options to where we can still produce that in a cost-efficient way to where we're still profitable, but offering that as the downsell, offering that as a means for people to get in the game and you still to get the deal. That's the goal of the downsell, is that we don't lose the deal. We might not make as much money, but we still get the deal, okay? Downselling is a super powerful technique that allows you to ultimately close more deals. The downsell is what you want to use through that objection handling process. So you're talking to a prospect and you said, hey, normally it's this much, but it's on sale right now for this much. What are your thoughts on that? Oh, well, it's a little bit outside my budget. Oh, totally understand. What is your budget, if you don't mind me asking? Well, if you hit them at $3,500 and they tell you that their budget's $2,500, then you start figuring out, okay, well, would you be open to a different version of this, or maybe a different product that would fit more within your budget? Yeah, I'd be open to hearing about it. Okay, great. So here are a couple different options that we have, right? And so you're downselling and keeping that prospect engaged in order to close more deals. The other part of this that's so important is that, for example, right now, the area that I market to, let's say that there are 100 people, just for easy math, that are looking to buy a dining table set. Let's say that 20% of those people are looking to buy something that is high-end and expensive, like what we sell, but let's say that 80% of those people are trying to find something between the price range of $1,500 to $3,000. Okay, that's typically less than what we sell our stuff for, but by offering downsells, we're gonna be able to capture a lot more of the market and convert a lot more of those clients. With that being said, didn't want to make this video super long, but want to continue to give you guys tools in your tool belt when it comes to interacting with potential clients, selling. We've got a video all on our sales script on here, basically what we do from A to Z to walk through the process of connecting with and ultimately selling a client your high-end products, whatever those might be. And so hopefully these have been helpful to you. A couple resources to you. Number one, we have a free ebook called the Handmade Business Secrets ebook. You're going to want to check that out. We've now had over 1,000 people read that, which is incredible, really encouraging. We've got a lot of great feedback around that. And then we have 2 programs that might suit your needs depending upon where you're at in your journey. So if you're trying to get to that $10,000 per month mark inside of your handmade business, you're going to want to check out the Handmade Hero Academy. We've got a link to that below, and we have over 70 people in that right now, I believe. And then for those of you that are really trying to scale to bigger numbers, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per month inside of your woodworking business, your custom furniture business, check out the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. But with that being said, love you guys. See you in the next one.